In Asia, the European machines have been imported because the European machines have been specified for that product for whatever number of years, not for that market especially. And so, Besser, for example, the Besser machine is a very old-fashioned machine for blocks, only for blocks. In Europe, nobody can exist with doing only one single product.
But they also have a concrete front pipes.
Pipes?
Yeah, different. Okay,
Blocking.
Yeah, when we talk about blocks or so. So the European machines, without taking care for the German machines, have always been more universal machines. You change the mold. Today you do paving stones, tomorrow blocks, day after tomorrow retaining walls or anything, just by changing the mold. One system, one handling system, just different molds and the same equipment is doing everything, basically. And that makes it more attractive, investment-wise, than to buy one unit for every single product.
It's huge investment.
Yeah, and that's the reason Americans are not competing in this market. And if there is a Besser machine in India, it's doing blocks, and that's it. You have a head of Besser here also. You know, they have this sister company, OMAC, which they bought out of a bankruptcy. OMAC went bankrupt.
Amen.
OMAC. And after the bankruptcy, Besser bought these guys.
71.
70, where's the page? 38. Right. So here, this is an OMAC machine. They bought this company. They had only this kind of normal pipe block machines. But even the pipe machine is a different factory. That was their original. So they do 2 or 3 blocks here, 3 blocks at a time, that's it. We do 18. They do 3. So it's a different world. And then they bought this factory. They also can do 18. But it's a German machine. But in a small scale, I mean, they do, for example, I think they have 60 people in this factory, and we have 750. So it's a different
equation altogether.
Yeah, but the reason that, especially also the Germans are different in the marketing is also the Germans are used for international business. Normal export business.
Even this country believes that German technology as the ultimate.
There was always.
Yes, and not only in these equipments, where it is automobile or anything.
Super
yes.
relation between India and.
So what would it cost to set up a smallest machine of yours?
Okay.
Depending
on the automation level. In the handling system, I would say in US dollars it's in the level of say $500,000, because you have always to consider that every machine needs a batching and mixing plant also.
Okay.
You know, you have Schwingstätter, for example, here also, or Polytech, we have here in Bangalore, the Polytech company.
Polytech Innovation.
Yeah.
That's in Bogus and Bank.
Yeah, you know Mr. Harish maybe.
Yes.
They were selling your machines earlier.
You see, when here Colombia, by the way, always blocks. When you see pictures here, it's basically blocks what they are doing. Because that's what the Americans did in the past. Before 1970 there was a paving stone or whatever not popular in America at all. So, what I mean basically, the Germans are this export people, global activity. The Americans had always a very, very good domestic market. So they went a little bit here and there, and Besser to India, Australia and so on. But we have been forced to make a living to travel all over the place, selling refrigerators to the North Pole, right?
And you've been successful.
And it worked out well, I tell you. So, a very limited, small market in Germany or in Europe, basically. Also strong competition throughout Europe. Colombia and Hess are the only two guys in North America. Okay, I can't compare the population because India is always number one, but they have, what do they have, 350 million people in North America and 400 including Canada. So it's 1/3 of India,
1/3 of it.
basically. And what a size. Yeah, crazy. So Germany Germany had 60 million only. After we bought East Germany, we had 82 million. Right?
The population of a few cities only.
That was expensive, I tell you, more than a Hess machine. But
Very nice.
it did work out, and I mean our good luck was also Russia, East Europe, and so on. Not because of this population potential or so, but all the infrastructure projects needed to start from scratch. There was nothing. So, and no factories, no building material available, so all investment to produce material to do the infrastructure